guys, it's me, Vacuum Smith here, and today I'm going to be doing a cold start video on my Yamaha Blaster. Really, is it? I don't really think so. What you doing, Zeb? Come here. Everything's on. And there. It's been cold started. Or really warm started. Smell that beautiful food truck smell. It could use with the idle be turned up. I don't want to mess with that because carburetor, and it's a 2-stroke. The idle adjustment screw on this thing is real sensitive, so maybe it's not. I don't know. I'm too scared to mess with it. Okay, she runs like an absolute champ. I'm going to show you something else. This is the Taurus module. See, that goes up to the thumb throttle, and this goes to the carburetor. Or am I wrong? I feel like I've got it the right way. Yeah. So basically, this cable over here, I'm explaining how this works, pulls on this. As you can see, moves that over there because it's connected to another one of these, so it'll work on this side as well. It's just a shaft that goes to these levers. This goes to the carburetor. Now on this side's a little different. You can see this thing has a tab right here, and you can see in here is a spring and a button. That, I don't really know how this works, but I believe this is an ignition cutoff. So what this does is that when you let off the gas, or if the throttle's hung wide open, or I don't really know what the purpose of this is, a rev limiter or something, this presses the button and shuts off the ignition or makes it run weird and puts it in limp mode. I don't know what it does. Well, you find everyone who deletes these because this causes some problems. But really all you got to do to keep it from working, just give me a second, you see the screw, just turn it so the button doesn't mesh with that. Let me show you what I mean. See, right now, it is pushing the button and activating the Taurus. So now I have turned out this screw, and now it does not touch the button anymore. See that? So there is no reason to actually delete your Taurus. This is for free, and it does not require tools, because you can just turn this with your hand, and you have a deleted Taurus. It will not work. So, bye guys, and see you next time.